Hello everyone, and welcome to Task 2 Math for Term 2 and 3. This test will cover Units 10, 12, and 13. The rules for this test include being able to use calculators and outside resources. You must also record your answers verbally through Edpuzzle and in writing in the box given to you. Please do this in 1 hour, in one sitting. Monitor your time and finish after 1 hour. A note about grading. All questions except for one will be graded out of 3 points. You will receive 2 points for verbally explaining the process using mathematical vocabulary, and you will receive 1 point for typing in the correct numerical value into the right place. There is only one question that does not require a numerical value, but just an explanation, and that question will be noted and it will only be worth 2 points. Tips to help you better succeed during this type of quiz. Make sure that you are using your notebook or scratch paper. Work out the problems by hand. Then think about what you're going to say. If you need to write a few keywords or points to formulate what your answer is going to be, and then I would suggest practicing what you want to say before you record your answer. We will now start with question 1 on ratios and proportions. Question 2, ratios and proportions. Question 3, ratios and proportions. Question 4, probability. As you can see in the question, it says that there are 20 results of coin flips, but you can only see 15 on your screen. So I would like you to add the following 5 data sets to your results in order to calculate the probability in this question. So I would like you to add heads, tails, heads, 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 tails, heads, heads, and heads, heads. Again, please use these to figure out probability for this question along with the other ones. Question 4B. Question 4C. This is the 2-point only question. Question 5, percentages. Question 6, percentages. Question 7, percentages. And finally, question 8, percentages. Thank you. That is the end of the quiz. I will correct them using a rubric, and I will return them via a link sent to your email. Thank you.